If you're waiting for motivation to strike, you're going to wait forever, because motivation is not what gets things done. Action does. In this video, we're going to look at 7 steps to help you break from the motivation trap and get you into unstoppable momentum even when you don't feel ready. Welcome to day 2 of the Reset Your Mind Challenge. So step 1, you have to understand that motivation is unreliable. And the reason why motivation is unreliable is because it is a feeling. And feelings change constantly. It's like you waiting for the perfect weather for you to leave the house and go for work. Maybe it's raining and you're waiting for the rain to stop so that you can step out and go to the office. What if it rains every day? You won't go to work? Of course not. You'll have to go to work and your way out of that house even if it is raining. So it's the same thing. Motivation is a feeling, and top achievers do not depend on motivation at all. People who are top achievers depend on systems and action. Okay, so you have to understand that motivation is very, very unreliable. Step number 2, use the 2-minute momentum rule. So do not try to finish whole task at a go, but instead just give yourself 2 minutes to start a particular task. And the reason is because your brain resists starting. It doesn't resist doing. So the minute you give yourself the 2 minutes to start working on a task, then from there, the action will create motivation, because it's always the action that creates motivation and not the other way around. So the action of giving yourself 2 minutes to start on a task will create now the motivation for you to work on the rest of the task. To step number 3, lower the activation energy. What this means is that make the task so easy for you to work on. For example, if you want to work out, simply wear your jogging shoes. If you want to start writing, just grab the document and open and start writing. If you want to read, just grab the book. That act of starting simple now makes it easy for you to finish the rest of the task that you. Step number 4, ritualize your starting time. For example, you have to train your brain to do certain things at a specific time. Let's say it is jogging time. You have to train your brain that every single day at 6 a.m. in the morning, I'll be doing jogging. It's very important because rituals remove the decision fatigue and they create consistency. And consistency is what we want for our tasks to be completed, or for any decision or any goal that you want to attain to be accomplished and to be finished. Step number 5, tie your task to a bigger why. You have to ask yourself, why does this task matter? You have to tie it to something meaningful, for example, your time freedom, your family, your happiness, your future. You know the reason why you need to do this? Because purpose creates discipline, and you need discipline for you to stay consistent and for you to achieve your goals. And that way, you will be motivating yourself to create unstoppable momentum and to keep on pushing yourself to higher, greater individuals. Step number 6, stop negotiating with yourself. That inner voice will always try to delay you. You know, that inner voice that will tell you, start 1 hour later, or start tomorrow, or you're tired. Do not negotiate. Just simply go back to your affirmations and say, we don't negotiate, we simply follow through. The affirmations are very important, and remember to click on the description box and grab yourself the self-worth toolkit. In that toolkit, there are so many other affirmations that you can use to cure the procrastination. And to step number 7, celebrate the tiny wins. Your brain is reward driven. So every time you start a task, remember to celebrate yourself. And celebrate yourself when you're starting and not when you're finishing, because that's how you train your brain to take action. It's as simple as that. And that way, you will be motivating yourself to create unstoppable momentum and to keep on pushing yourself to higher, greater individuals. As we come to the end of day 2 of Reset Your Mind Challenge, we have our daily challenge. Okay, are you ready for the daily challenge? Our today's mission for the daily challenge is try and identify that one thing that you've always wanted to feel ready for you to start. Step 2, use the 2-minute momentum rule and just start. And step 3, say out loud, action first, motivation follows. Remember to share the same on the comment section, guys, so that we can keep on encouraging each other. So tomorrow I'm going to show you how to rewire your daily environment so that it pulls you forward and not drag you behind. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and let's meet tomorrow for day 3 of the Reset Your Mind Challenge.